You're either gonna see me with like a necklace stack, something dainty, just like little cutesy, like that's my thing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kayla Arne. I love you. How are you? If it's a little dark, I'm sorry. I had to close the blinds because they were trying to be all up in the video, and I'm like, we can't see our family. Sorry, looking for my phone. But hi, nice to meet you. If you're new here, I'm Kayla. How are you? Sorry about, it's one of them days where the makeup is just like running in the corners of the eyes, and it's like, what are you doing? Like the tears, not even the makeup, it's the tears, and I don't know why. But anyways, I'm so happy for today's video. You guys know that I love jewelry. You guys know that I love dainty gold jewelry in particular. This may be a random video to you, but to me it's like, no, this is who I am. Demi Lovato, this is real, this is me, this is exactly who I'm supposed to be. Anyways, today I'm so excited because I'm working with Ideaure Jewelry, and I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. Ideaure. I don't know, that word is just like, it's coming out funny when I say it. But Ideaure Jewelry is a small family-owned business who specialize in like 14 karat sterling silver. 14 karat gold and sterling silver. Their jewelry is so dainty and cute and is perfect for like your everyday jewelry. And I absolutely love jewelry. Not only just any jewelry. I love like dainty everyday like little pieces. Like for example, here are my earrings. Like just like little small like little trinkets and dinkets and things like that. Like I love that. That is me. I don't have any rings on anything right now because I'm about to try some stuff on for you guys. But like you guys know that I always have on like my everyday bracelets. I have on a necklace all the time. Even if it's just like a single simple necklace for like every day. But then when it comes to like my outfits, like I'm literally layering on like 5 necklaces. Sometimes it's 10. It depends on the day, the outfit, whatever we want to go with. I'm so happy because I finally have some things that I can like just wear and not take off. And I love that kind of jewelry. And that's the jewelry that I tend to go for because we don't want green necks and green rings, fingers and necks and bracelets. And you know what I'm trying to say? We don't want green on our skin. Okay. So quality is very important. And it's such a nice thing. Like it's such a, like a gem when you find something that doesn't tarnish and doesn't like, you know, look crazy. I got a few things from them and I'm so excited. This first thing, because I'm not taking this thing off. And then another thing, I don't want to like speak for them and say they're a Christian-based like brand. However, they love Jesus. Like they have a whole faith collection and with like crosses. I don't know. I love it. Like they have a ring called the Gianna cross and it has hope, faith, love. They have, oh, I love this name, Kaya cross earrings. Like it's just like crosses and I don't know. I love it. And yeah, I'm gonna call them Christian based only because like they rep in the cross and like we know how important the cross is, right? So here's the packaging. So it's this cute little box with like the doves, Ideaure, and then we're just gonna take it out like that. And then we have this really pretty like soft muted grayish blue little velvet pouch, and inside, I already opened it because I just couldn't help myself. Look how freaking cute. Look how cute. Look how cute. Like, is she not beautiful? This is the Liana cross necklace in 18 inches, 14 karat yellow gold. It is beautiful and it's just the perfect little everyday dainty cross. For an everyday, I do prefer like a smaller, like shorter necklace, but like, look how cute. Absolutely love how like dainty the chain is, but like this cross is so beautiful and it's just perfect for every day. So I am not taking this off. I will be wearing this. I love it. And it's like the perfect necklace to layer with. Like, I love that so much. That is so pretty, so cute. Just so cute. Ugh. And I've been wanting like an everyday like cross necklace because like, come on. We rep Jesus everywhere we go, baby girl. Okay, so next, let's see what we got. And I love when I forget what I got because it's exciting. So here, oh. So this is the Reina Cross ring, and this is a silver, it's a mixed metal. Please don't mind my nails, by the way. But it's a silver, like, ring with a gold cross on the side. Do you see that? How beautiful is that? Like, which ring I think I want to wear it on my index finger. Like, I love that. I don't know which finger I want to do. I can even do my middle finger ring. It's a little big for my ring finger, so I'm probably gonna wear it on my index finger. But I love an everyday ring to not take off. Like, I don't have to take this off. It's so beautiful. And I do like to mix my metals, so this is perfect. And it's just the perfect, like, everyday, like, ring. Like, what? You can also get a ring sizer. And ladies, come on, let him know your size. No, we love this. I am a size 4.5. I already used this. I was like, come on, 4.5. So I can really do a 4 to be snug. I'm gonna do 4. 4.5 gives like a little bit more space if I wanted to, but like 4.5, I'll be happy with whatever. But yeah, I love these two already so much. And then I wanted to get like a fun, cute tennis bracelet. This is the Arazia tennis bracelet. It's so pretty. It's like a thicker tennis bracelet, which I think is absolutely beautiful. And like, this is how it looks. How pretty is that? Like, seriously, perfect. And they have a like a daintier one also, and I want that one too. But this is a cute statement. But I want, like, I've been wanting like a nice tennis bracelet. I have a really small wrist, so I love how like they give like this extra link to either tighten or shorten it. I'm sorry, tighten or loosen it. So I'm gonna take this extra one off. I got a small wrist, babe, but that's perfect if you have like a wider wrist. So nice. It's still like a little big, as you can see, but I'm going to probably get this size because I'm absolutely obsessed. Like, how freaking pretty is that? Like, how expensive does that look? Please. I definitely gotta get this tightened. I gotta get this sized so that wearing this, because these are like my everyday like little bracelets. Can you imagine? Wow, icy. Icy. It's icy. Okay, but yes, that's it for my little jewelry haul. I love this. I do want this on like a shorter chain, so I'm gonna switch this cross into like a shorter chain just because like I want it to fit like that, like just smaller, just like that. But I love it so much. I'm so happy for my new everyday jewelry. Make sure you guys check out Ideaure Jewelry because they are absolutely, like, my bracelet is literally glistening on the wall. Can you see? But make sure you check them out. They're absolutely amazing. I love them, and I'm just so happy that they sought me and wanted to like work with me to give you guys and introduce you guys to their beautiful brand. They did give me a code, and I believe it is Kayla15. Hold on. I absolutely love them. I believe they're giving you guys 15% off, but again, check the description box and on the screen for confirmation. But thank you so much to Ideaure for working with me today on today's video. I love you guys. And also, guys, like, I don't know, just wearing everyday jewelry just really gives you like your own signature. Like, I feel like there's so many people all the time that ask me where I get my jewelry from and everything, and I'm always so excited to share. And also, like, it's just like my like signature. Like, that's my thing. Like, you always gonna know you're either gonna see me with like a necklace stack, something dainty, just like little cutesy, like that's my thing. And then to have like a, because I didn't have like an everyday ring. I normally wear like lots of rings, so just to have this to wear every single day, just like even when I'm not like dressed up or anything, like I love this. And the fact that there's a cross on it, like, what? I love that. Okay, I love you guys, and I hope to see you soon in my next video.